All right, happy homeowners. We got a good one today. You can see here, this looks like it's the 2-inch white oak. You can't tell it, but I can. This paper stuff right here, that's where linoleum used to be. So they put up the linoleum. Over here you got the gaps from where the wood got wet, soaked it up like a sponge and grew, and then dried back to natural. Leaves the gaps. Once we put those in, you'll never see them. Here's the problem. We got this flaky glue where they glued down the carpet. And our sanders spin at such a high RPM, it heats up the glue and clogs up the sandpaper. Sometimes we have to wash it off with paint thinner, lacquer thinner, gasoline. May hit it with maybe try to scrape it off and flake it off. But we got some really rough 16 grit, and I'm hoping we will be able to help sand this off.